The tutorial we've all been waiting for is finally here. Yeah. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to safely take down your miracle knots crochet hairstyle. I get a lot of people asking me this actually in my comment section. People are like, Alberta, how can I take off miracle knots? How do you take it down? What's the takedown process for miracle knots? It's finally here today. By the way, this is what I do every night before I go to bed. This is how I wrap my hair up. Basically nighttime maintenance. Yes. So yeah, you have to always maintain your curly hairs. It doesn't matter whether it's human hair or synthetic hair. It still needs maintenance. Sometimes I come across videos where people are saying, oh, it's not worth it. It tangles a lot. What do you expect from a curly hair? Curly hair is going to tangle if you are not maintaining it or if you are not keeping it safe. It doesn't matter. Even straight hair. Imagine not wrapping your straight hair up before going to bed and then you just leave it like that and then you sleep. Your straight weaves, I mean. It's definitely going to tangle, but with proper care and maintenance, you're going to be able to keep the hair on for a very long time, for even 2 months if you want to. I'm saying this out of experience because I also did miracle knot hairstyle and I traveled with it. I had the hair on for about a month with proper care and I traveled with it also. I was basically styling it every single day. I was doing different styles every single day and nothing happened to my hair. Some people also say this hairstyle is not worth it. It's going to what do they even say? It's going to break your hair. It's going to which hairstyle? This is also a protective hairstyle. You're not even adding extensions starting from your roots. This is basically knotless braids. This is basically knotless boho braids. Just take proper care of your hair. Just take proper care of your hair when you do these hairstyles. So you see, it's the next morning and this hair still looks pretty good. You just have to maintain it every day. But today we are not doing maintenance. We are filming the takedown process. So once your hair is like this, you just finger the tangle. It's already detangled because I obviously took proper care of it for nighttime. Okay. So yeah, just run your fingers through it and then spray with some water. Spray with some water. Okay, to make the takedown process easier, just spray with some water. Don't take it down on dry hair. Make sure the hair is damp before you take it down, before you start unraveling. So the next step is to unravel the hair. And for unraveling, let me take this first one. Even when you get to this step, you can still apply some leave-in conditioner if you want to. Okay, if you want to. So you see, it's detangled. So what you are going to do, let me get closer. What you are going to do is to just unbraid the hair. Okay, just unbraid it. Unbraid the mini braids that you did or the cornrows that you did. If you use the cornrow method, just take out the braids. Take out the braids or the cornrows. Whilst taking it down, this crochet hair is going to fall off by itself. Trust me, it is going to fall off by itself. You see? Just take your... That's it. That is it. I'm not losing my hair and I'm not losing the extensions too. I'm going to be reusing these extensions. It's human hair. In case you want to know where this hair is from, this one is from Beauty Queen Hair. It's from Beauty Queen Hair. I'm going to leave the link in my description because this is good hair. So I'm going to be sharing the details with you. I'll leave it in my description box so you can click on the link if you want to purchase. As you can see, look, it's that simple. Please, it's that simple. You don't have to use a scissors. You don't have to cut anything. No, look, it's really that simple. This is all you have to do. This is all you have to do. You are protecting your hair, your edges, and then keeping the extensions too. You see? That's it. That's it. That's basically it. That is basically it. See, this is the hair. Going to be reusing it. This is it. Because like I said, if you bought human hair, you can reuse it. Even with some synthetic or fiber hairs, you can reuse them. So you see, you don't have to pull, you don't have to drag. Look, it's that simple, okay? Just use this step and you will safely take down your crochet hairstyles. Any type of crochet hairstyle at all. It's not just for miracle knots. This step is not just for miracle knots hairstyle. Okay, it's a process you can use for any crochet hairstyle. So if you have crochet hair on, just use the step. Thank you so much for watching to this point. And if you are new here and you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notifications. And also turn on the post notifications bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Peace.